If you want to transfer photos to your computer on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, then in that case you can use a USB cable. So if you have a cable that allows you to connect your phone to your computer, then you can, of course, use it. And once that happens, once you connect your phone to your computer with the USB cable, you want to go to Notifications, and you will find charging this device via USB. You want to tap on this notification once to reveal additional information, tap again to find USB preferences, and then you can choose File Transfer / Android Auto. And after that, you can access all files on your computer. So if you open your PC, you should be able to find Pixel 10 Pro XL, and then you can go to internal storage, and in here we can find the DCIM, which is the folder where we can find, for example, all photos and videos that we made with our phone. Furthermore, you can also wirelessly transfer data if you use Google Backup. So by using your Google account, you can go to photos.google.com and you should be able to find your photos over here. Of course, you can get them out of from the Google account. So if you open any of these photos, then we can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and we have the download option. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.